Hello everyone, we are Group 1. Our topic is about principles of robustness. So, robustness is about having the customer successfully implement an intervention with the program and assess the behavior. Ito ay tungkol sa isang proseso kung saan ang isang program o system ay naglalayong gabayan ang mga customer o users sa pamamagitan ng isang particular na invention o action. At pagkatapos ay suriin ang mga resulta o pagbabago sa ugali na nag-result mula sa nasabing intervention. We have 4 principles that affect the robustness. So first, you have observability. Second, recoverability. Third, responsibility. And fourth, task conformance.
Observability permits the consumer to determine the system's internal state using its perceptible device image. Observability is a crucial concept in control theory and modern computing. It refers to the ability to understand the internal state of a system by examining its external inputs. So, the term observability originates from the control theory, an engineering field concerned with automating control of dynamic systems. In this context, a system is said to be observable if for every possible evolution of state and control vectors, the current state can be estimated using the information from outputs. So, the importance of observability is the more observable a system, the more quickly and accurate you can navigate from an identified performance problem to its root cause, without additional testing or coding. This is particularly important in today's world where organizations are rapidly adopting modern development practices like agile development, continuous integration, and continuous deployment. One of the examples of observability is distributed tracing. This is a unique component that distinguishes observability from other monitoring mechanisms. Distributed tracing tracks application requests as they flow from front-end devices to back-end services and databases. It helps teams quickly understand and scrutinize the technical glitches that cause infrastructure disruption. In conclusion, observability is a vital aspect of modern system designs and operation, enabling operators to understand complex systems, internal states, and respond effectively to issues.
We have also 5 principles of observability. A. Reusability. B. Configuration. C. Reachability. D. Persistence. And E. Task performance.
Browsability. Browsability allows the consumers to analyze the system's existing internal state without altering it. So, browsability is crucial for providing users with a comprehensive understanding of the system's current state. It allows users to navigate through different parts of the system, inspect various elements, and understand their functions and statuses. So, the importance of browsability lies in its ability to enhance user experience by allowing users to freely explore and understand the system. It reduces the learning curve and increases user engagement. It also aids in troubleshooting as users can inspect the user's state to identify potential issues. So, one of the example of browsability is the search engine results. Search engines implement browsability by presenting information in a structured and organized manner. Users can browse through the search results, with each result providing a snapshot or the information of contained in the link page.
Configuration aids the user remembering indirectly, such as recommending possible inputs and predicting the user's input document. Example, found in the settings menu of the smartphone operating system. Mura siya ang customize nimo ang system sa smartphone, like isla nimo size sa text. Other example, brightness. You can adjust it by your preference. Enrichability makes the user familiarize himself with experience of environment. Mura gi-familiarize niya tong example smartphone, kung asa banda dito ang ang home, screenshot na. In example, mobile application essential navigation options are placed at the bottom of the screen. Katana siya sa baba nga maka-navigate. Within easy reach of the user tab, this placement ensures that the user can access critical functions such as navigation tabs or primary action without having stretched or their grip in the device. Example, magamit kang cellphone. Hindi mo na siya kailangan idalawa kung gusto mo maglakat sa home, kaya pwede lang siya one tab.
Hello everyone, my name is Erwin Bancaya. We are talking about persistence and task performance. So, what is persistence? Persistence is this definition protect the period of measurable condition. So, for example, let's say you have a project deadline coming up and you encounter some challenges along the way. And despite facing obstacles, you remain determined and continue working diligently to overcome them. You put in extra effort, seek assistance when needing, and stay focused on your goal until successfully complete the project. This demonstrates persistence in this face adversity. So kapag meron tayong project, you need to extra effort and assistance, and when needed, stay focused on your goal until you successfully complete the project. This demonstrates persistence and face adversity. So, ito yung kapag meron tayong mga project coming up deadline, you need to, despite facing obstacle, and kailangan mo talagang harapin yung pagod at gawan mo ng solusyon para matapos yung project. That is example. Task performance. Deal with allow much system services support all tasks the user want and can understand. So, ito yung kung gaano karami ang nag-service ng system. Ito yung lahat ng mga gawain at gusto at maunawaan ng user. For example, imagine you are assigned a complex task at work that requires attention to details and problem-solving skill. You carefully analyze requirement, break down and task into smaller, manageable steps and create plan to tackle each component. You efficiently execute the plan, ensuring high quality work and meeting and all necessary deadline. Your ability to effectively perform tasks demonstrate your task performance skill. So, kailangan mo talagang enhance yung performance skill mo. At imagine halimbawa meron tayong task na ginagawa, kailangan mo talagang execute and ensuring high quality ang paggawa ng task. That's all.
What is recoverability? Recoverability is the functionality of the system to recover when an error occurs. It is a property of database systems ensures that in the event of a failure or error, the system can recover the database to a consistent state. So in short, it is all about being able to back from failures or errors without losing important data. So we have the two directions for recoverability. First is forward recovery and second is backward recovery. Forward recovery involves the acceptance of the current state and negotiation from the state towards the desired. In simpler terms, forward recovery is about focusing on the future rather than dwelling on past mistakes. So, we have an example here. In building a house of cards, you might sneeze while placing a card on the 7th level, but you cannot undo the effect of your misfortune except by rebuilding it. So, in this example, you cannot undo what was happened because if you sneeze, the house of cards might be break into pieces. But instead you have to look forward or rebuilding it. So second is for backward recovery. Backward recovery error is an attempt to undo the effects of previous interaction in order to return to a prior state before proceeding. So it's like rewinding the clock to a point before the error occurred and then moving forward with a clean state. So an example here in a text editor, mistyped keystroke might wipe out a large section of text, which you would want to retrieve by an equally simple undo button. So if we made a mistake, like deleting the whole text or mistype, you can easily use the shortcut keys or undo keys to go backward with the previous one, then correct your mistake.
Responsibility discusses the time required to connect with the customer in the program. Fast-paced and immediate response times are usually wanted. The response time must be constantly fast. The reliability of response time encompasses the length invariance with similar in computing the program. It emphasizes the importance of fast and consistent response time in interacting with customer in a program. It suggests that users typically prefer quick and immediate responses, and this responsiveness should be maintained consistently over time. Additionally, the reliability of response time means that regardless of variation in computing properties such as network speed or device capability, the response time should remain relatively constant. For example, consider a customer service chatbot integrated into a e-commerce website. Following the principle, the chatbot should respond to customer inquiries promptly, ideally within a few seconds, to provide seamless and efficient user experience. Moreover, regardless of fluctuations in internet speed or the device being used, the chatbot response time should remain consistent, ensuring the reliability and preventing frustration for users. By enhances user satisfaction and foster positive interaction between the customer and the program.
So, hello everyone. I am Aldous Sasota and my topic is all about task conformance. So, what is task conformance? When a person can carry out activities in an expected way, which he requires that task completeness includes whether a program can carry out all functions of concerns. So, bale dapat uh, lahat ng functions na nandyan, or all of the uh, buttons or the text box na nandyan is dapat gumagana. So, task conformance addresses the skills of the user to understand the task. It is essential to allow the consumer to carry out any requested function in an application as set out in the device specification before the program is provided. So, bale, dapat lahat ng ni-request or lahat ng hiningi ng consumer mo dapat malagay mo uh, sa program, or sa lahat ng mga functions dapat ma-carry out, lalo na yung mga requested. For example, magpalagay siya ng update, delete, save, dapat lahat yun working. So, an example of the task conformance, the website achieves task completeness but fails in task adequacy. A website with high task conformance would offer a smooth and efficient checkout process that aligns with how users expect to buy things online. So, bale, dapat user-friendly yung website or application or anything na ginawa mo. So, easy to understand, easy to use. So, dapat walang lag. That's all, and here is our group 1. Thank you.